Daniel, the cooler Daniel. He knew that the law of cosines is a more general form of the Pythagorean theorem. High school geometry teachers, when there's no angle side-side theorem. Me studying differential forms. I'm looking neither respectfully nor disrespectfully. I gaze without recognition of your form, and without understanding. Physicists alike. To simplify calculations, we will assume the cat is cubical. Me after solving for force when mass and acceleration are provided. It's funny how the normalizer of a subgroup isn't a normal subgroup itself. What? But the centralizer is a normal subgroup of the normalizer. And the subgroup in question is also a normal subgroup of its normalizer. Jesse, what the f are you talking about? When you integrate the function two different ways and the answers differ by a constant. Wait, that's legal. Q. Are you R because you're a totally ordered Archimedean field? R. Or are you a totally ordered Archimedean field because you're R? Solve for f of x equals 0. Evaluate f to the power of -1 of 0. Solve for x. 1 to the power of x equals 2. No solutions. Or this shit. No solutions. Guys, I need help with my homework. What's the answer to? What the f is all of this shit, bruh? 1 plus 2 plus 3 plus etc. not equal to -1 over 12. A regular person. Me. X plus 2 equals x minus 2. Find x. X minus 2 times plus 2 equals 0. X to the power of 2 minus 2 to the power of 2 equals 0. X to the power of 2 minus 4 equals 0. X to the power of 2 equals 4. X equals root of 4 or x equals negative root of 4. ECIII. Frechet was the first to use the term Banach space, and Banach in turn then coined the term Frechet space to mean a complete metrizable topological vector space without the local convexity requirement. Such a space is today often called an F-space. Frechet. Banach. Proof by picture. Can you spot 3 triangles similar to the in the picture below? Y equals constant. Y equals x to the power of 2. Y equals x to the power of 3. Y equals cos x. Corporate needs you to find the differences between this picture and this picture. Topologists. They're the same picture. Not all numbers are transcendental, but 100% of numbers are transcendental. Conversion. Inversion. Perversion. A non-binary person's worst nightmare. So what are integrals? Integrals that look hard, but are actually easy. Rizzler. Lemry's infinity. When gambling, you can win 2000% of your money, but you can only lose 100%. Do the math. When the odds course gets to exact equations. Die over dx. Treating die over dx like a fraction. Exact differentials. Me. Hypothesis, you have to stop. You smoke too tough. Your math too rigorous. Your bitch is too bad. They'll kill you. Hypothesis. A ton of latex code. You like coding in latex, don't you? Me. Wow, I finally understand math. Moves on to next question. Do not remove bar from repeating decimal. Lim 1 divided by x. Your girlfriend. Lim 1 divided by x equals doesn't exist. The mathematician who spent thousands of hours to prove you cannot square a circle watching me do it in Desmos. What do I think of the number 1499? A. It's a bit mid. X to the power of 2 to the power of -1. Are you saying, if n greater than or equal to 30, the sampling distribution of sample means will be normal? The distribution will be nearly normal. Nearly normal? What do you want from approximation alone? Normal would be nice. 5-year-olds, when they find out that 100 isn't the biggest number in the world. When I was in elementary school we learned about a shape called a rhombus, and that was the last time I ever heard about that shape ever again. Is 100 zeros a lot? It depends on where they are. After a decimal? No. Over Pearl Harbor? Yes. If you choose an answer to this question at random, what is the chance that you will be correct? A 25%, B 0%, C 50%, D 25%. What the hell, Gohan? F of x, g of x, fog of x, gof of x. Me seeing variable in exponent, ln. Math is a natural phenomenon. Math is a human invention. Philosophers and scientists since the dawn of humanity. This is why I can't go out with you. X. Recreational math problem that turn you on, turn into FNAF, turn into blisters, turn into beds. 1 upvote and I'll post 2 grains of rice. How much do you love me? -1/12. English teacher, write a complex sentence. Me, an intellectual. I love math. When my girlfriend asks why I have 2 different calculator apps on my phone. According to the law of infinite probability, one day this should occur. People in math problems be like, I've bought 23 dozen oranges, but at what cost? Are you good at algebra? Yes, why? I was hoping you could replace my x without asking why. In the number theory exam, the problems are really easy, so at the end of every proof, you change QED to GG easy, GG easy. Your crush, her boyfriend, you. I have disproven this conjecture. Cool. Do you have a counterexample? No. 1 in 20 Americans are blonde. I'm blonde. So am I. This demonstrates why large sample sizes are important. Biology is applied chemistry. Chemistry is applied physics. Physics is applied mathematics. Math is applied torture. Do you do any drugs? I'm a mathematician. So it's x to the power of z pretty often. ln. Log. 1 + 1 = 11. 1 + 1 = 3. 1 + 1 = 2. 77 + 33 = 100. How to live forever. 1 life past 0 years. 2 go to an enchanted forest and meet a wizard. Promise me I'll live to be n years. A whatever. 3 life till n + 1. For profit. Did you know? NASA only uses 15 digits of pi for calculating interplanetary travel. At 40 digits, you could calculate the circumference of a circle the size of the visible universe with an accuracy that'd fall off by less than the diameter of a hydrogen atom. Your reaction when you are an engineer who only uses 3 digits of pi to build a skyscraper. 210 divided by 12 = 2. What? How? 210 divided by 12 = 17.5. 210 divided by 12 = 0.3333333. I think you have that flipped. My bad. 0.3333333 = 210 divided by 12. Just made the new biggest number. Ask me anything. What if you add another summation like those two? Ask me anything closed. A squared plus b squared equals c squared. Descartes. Books which have no answers, all answers, only odd or even number answers. Is it really possible for a root of -1 girl and a real numbers boy to be in a relationship? F of x. F to the power of -1 of x. That's how I roll. Euler's work touched upon so many fields that he is often the earliest written reference on a given matter, in an effort to avoid naming everything after Euler. Some discoveries and theorems are attributed to the first person to have proved them after Euler. Euler, suffering from success. O Panzer of the Lake, what is your wisdom? Percentages are reversible. So 6% of 50 is equal to 50% of 6, which is much easier to calculate. Which side are you on? Decimus, Algebra. Mathematicians when they can't get a 100% accurate solution. Cosmologists when their solution is within 5 orders of magnitude of the answer. My physics lecturer recently told me of a class he had attended where the professor had rounded pi to 10 for the sake of ease. Which side are you on? Tan x, TGX. Find the pattern. 7 divided by 7 equals 1. 1 divided by 1 equals 1. 0 divided by 0 equals what? Average cat owner spends 3 years in prison. Factoid actually just statistical error. Average owner spends 0 years in prison. Miette's mother, who kicked her body like the football and went to jail for 1000 years, is an outlier and should not have been counted. Sportsplex track. 1 lap equals 1/3 mile. 3 laps equals 1.2 miles. Mind size mega. 8 minus 8 equals 0. Well yes, but actually no. I've solved all math. You call them 2D vectors and define a particular multiplication function. No one bats an eye. You call them imaginary numbers. Everyone loses their minds. C equals R squared. Change my mind. A plus B squared equals A squared plus B squared. My girlfriend said she needs some time and distance. Is she calculating velocity? Listen here you little Let me get this straight. You think math is easy with the right teachers? I do. And I'm tired of pretending it's not. When you give the right answer, but then they say, use your brain. Not a calculator bud. Visible frustration. You're saying there are exactly n complex roots for any nth degree polynomial. Gauss? Yes. Galois? May I see them? No. No one. Absolutely no one. Grothendieck double construction. What the heck did you just bring upon this cursed land? Ernst Kummer. In number fields some numbers cannot be decomposed into a product of primes uniquely, so we'll decompose ideals instead. Mathematicians. I'll allow it. Calm down. He's just joking. The more roots a polynomial has, the harder it is to find one. Skeletor will return next week with more disturbing facts. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more memes. Thanks for watching.